I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and welcome to the Melanie Top and Dress Sew Along, sponsored by Olga's Closet Fabrics. This is super exciting, and our sponsor, Olga's Closet, has kindly and generously given us a $40 gift card to give away to one participant who completes the Melanie Top and Dress Sew Along. Now let's talk about this sew along. For day one, we're going to print and assemble our pattern. We are also going to cut it out and get our fabric cut out. For day two, we're going to work on the bodice. Day three, we're going to talk about those ties. For day four, we're going to work on the neckband. And to finish it all up, for day five, we're going to get those sleeves done. This is a really fun make. It looks hard, but it's not. And I'm super excited to get this started with you. I am using this beautiful double brush poly from our sponsor, Olga's Closet. This tie-dye is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to see how it turns out. So join me for the Melanie Top and Dress Sew Along this week, right here at 5out of 4.com.